Tired of context switching between your IDE, terminal, and browsers? What if your terminal can understand your code, write test, refactor it, and all powered by Gemini AI? Google just introduced Gemini CLI, which is an open source AI agent which brings the power of Gemini models right on your command line. Hi, I'm Vinod Viswanathan, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a detailed demonstration on how to install and run Gemini CLI on your laptop. So watch the video till the end. So what exactly is Gemini CLI? At its core, it's your new AI assistant, which is seamlessly integrated into your terminal. Consider having a super smart pair programmer who is right there next to you when you are writing code, when you are debugging, or you are automating tasks. Let's look at some of the key features of Gemini CLI which makes it a game changer. AI powered coding and debugging. It understands your code and generates new code and helps you fix bugs. Integration with Google search. Ground your prompts with real-time web context for more accurate and up-to-date answers. It can also help you with cloud operations. You can even manage your GCP resources directly from this CLI. It is extensible and customizable, which means you can connect it to additional tools and MCP servers which are running locally on your laptop or remotely running outside. And the best part is it offers free access generously. You get 60 model requests per minute and you get up to 1000 model requests per day, absolutely free of charge. So now I will share my screen and walk you through a detailed demonstration on how we can install Gemini CLI and some of the use cases which we can perform using it. This is the GitHub page where we have the source code available, which can be downloaded and installed on our laptops. So this is the link which I will paste in the description of this video also. It has detailed description as well on how you can install it. So the prerequisite to install this is you should have Node.js version 18 or higher installed on your laptop already. If not, you can just go to this link, download and install it, and then you can either run npx or npm install command and just get started with it. It just takes around a minute or two to install and it will be available for you to run. So we have the Gemini CLI ready for us to use. So let's try out a simple prompt. Let's try to create a quick web page to see whether it is able to provide us the detailed information. So it is going to provide you the plan. It will tell you what it is trying to create. It will ask you whether you are okay to proceed, and if yes, it just goes ahead and creates the required files and generates those code for you. You can do a similar thing in your VS Code also using Gemini Code Assist. Okay, it has created all the required files for our website. So let's go and check it out. So this is the web page which it has created. Hello Gemini, and it says Gemini is awesome for web development, right? So you can add or edit things as required for you. You also have an option to go ahead and debug the files. If there is an existing code repository which you have on one of the directory in your laptop, you can have Gemini to go ahead and read the whole thing, analyze it, and then debug it for you. If you want it to add comments, if you want it to beautify the code, it will do that for you. If you want it to rename things on your system, create, edit, or delete files on the laptop, it can even do that for you. If you want, it will also create resources in Google Cloud for you. Let's try and create something in Google Cloud and see how it works. So now I wanted to create a storage bucket in US Central 1 region with a particular name in my GCP project. So let's see whether it is able to create it. So it says yes, I will be able to do it. I'll use gcloud command line tool to perform this action. I already have gcloud installed on my system, so it will be able to use that as a tool to perform this. Yes, I have authenticated. So it needs to make sure that I have authenticated using my username and password to Google so that it can perform that action on my behalf. Only whatever permissions my user ID has, it will be able to only perform those steps in GCP. Let me provide it my GCP project ID. I am going to allow it. So in case when you try it for the first time, if you are not logged into GCP, it is going to ask you to log in similarly with a browser login or gcloud auth command. So as soon as you do that, your system or gcloud CLI will get that access. And as you see, it has already created it. So let's go to the GCP project and see whether it has created something with this particular name, which is demo and today's date. So I'll go to cloud storage, buckets, and there I have it, right? So this is the one which is created, and it is just created it now a couple of seconds before. So it does work. It can also delete it. It can add files, copy files between the GCP buckets. It can create a full-fledged architecture within GCP as well, including Kubernetes engine clusters, virtual machines, VPCs, and whatnot. But make sure you try everything only in a demo account or in your own test account. Don't try to play around with all of these commands on your official account or your enterprise organization projects. I hope you found this video valuable. If yes, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments on how you are planning to use this Gemini CLI. Thanks for watching the video and keep learning AI.